down, don't hold down anymore. Alright, this is Gothic Man, Ninhad beta again. This time, Ninhad's playing. And we can do stylish. But you can't do bingo. I have more experience in this game.
No, you don't.
No, stop. Oh, okay, I thought there was happening. We don't want to put that on yet. Badges we have equipped are these badges. She's dead. Nice, we don't have anything. Oh no! These bones that remind me of my father. It's not about it, it's my father. Dad! I will do voice acting. Wait, what's this? Mario, my father's clutching some kind of letter. Or at least I think it's, bones on it. Should we do it? What should we read? I think we shall read it. I'm okay, I can do this. I'll read it. I passed school. I came to this castle to destroy Hooktown. Who cares? If you hope to defeat it, you must kinda do something. Huh? My son Kulado, not Coops, your age Kulado. Oh, it wasn't your father. Okay. I didn't want to read it because it gets boring. We don't like you. Whoa. Barf, barf, barf. I got a barf. They're raping me! What's going on? Oh, what are they doing? Ouch! That hurts! Don't touch that spot! Ugh! Stay back! Sexist pigs. Ugh. We must now fight it. How much time do we have left, Gothic Man?
We have a lot left.
When it gets to 10, stop it. We cannot jump because they have X before. I will, fuck. No, I will. Jump.
Is this going on my phone?
And mine.
Oh.
Yay! Now I am going to go back to her even though she's dead. Oh, you can't? What a sucks. Okay. Attack! That guy has 5 life, the bone. No, we'll keep that stuff. Yay! We will fight you. Peter! That's really cheap. Watch this. This is cheap too. Wait a minute. No. You will die. I said so. Die. Fucking stupid nerd.
Tattle on him.
I can't because Blue Bell is dead. Come on, awesome skillets right here. Look at that skillet. What should we get? Badges, hearts, or flowers?
Hearts.
Okay. How much time we got left?
For 5 more minutes.
We are nice people. Don't make fun of us. I don't like mean comments. I don't like comments about my other mother either, so stop it.
It's about making fun of your
I'm
mom.
not making fun of my mom. She
Yep.
makes fun of me. And there's nothing wrong with that.
Yes, that's you.
James, no one likes to hear.
Don't you mean Gothic Man?
There's no James here. Okay. Okay, seriously.
He's special. He's specialer than me.
So, I'm more special than you. Oh, hit it. That sounded wrong. That just looks weird.
What?
Seriously, that was kind of weird. It just like moved, and then it was paper again. It looks so 3D. I got the castle keys. Look, then it looks like something real, then it looks like paper again, and it is.
We're almost out of time. We only have 4 more minutes.
Shut up, don't tell me all this. Gothic Man. I'm smart, I tell her to be Gothic Man. Yeah, I'm smart. Yeah, it's okay.
Gothic Man is bad.
Gothic Man is cool. Wait, did it save? There is no memory card. Yes, there is.
He's getting lonely. So don't worry, he'll be here done.
Oh, why won't you save? I don't care. We'll just find another save block later. One that will actually save. Watch this. Oh yeah, I'm magic. I'm magic. Get away from me, turtle. Ha ha ha! Oh man, how did you do that? How are we going to do this? Oh yeah, we didn't need to go up here. I'm so smart I knew that.
No, you didn't.
There's Gumball. It was flying. That's not natural.
Flying Goombas.
And he's got Sleepy Sheep. See how special I am? I'm so bad, but I'm good. Okay, so now I'm going to give you an epic last battle. After this, we're going to have to stop the video, James. I mean, Gothic Man!
After this battle?
Oh, well, I think so, yeah.
But don't you know we only have...
Yeah. Okay, wait, just keep going. We'll just keep going.
2 minutes.
Stylish, look at that. I'm going to try to make every move stylish. Or great. Don't stop it until it's there. Okay?
Okay, titles on him. You dummy.
No, I can't.
Yeah.
Here we go. Look at that. Look at how awesome I am, but I'm using a lot of FP.
That's stupid.
More FP. More light. Bet you can't do this. Bet you couldn't figure this out now. But I can.
Wait, once it's 10, how do you stop?
Hold down the button again.
Okay. It's not 10 yet, I'm just saying.
Hey, it looks like we're going to have to stop this video right now.